welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.
Okay, tools that's needed to complete this repair would be a number 2 Phillips, also a pair of needle nose pliers. Okay, what we're looking at today is a GE refrigerator. What's going on is that it's clicking. So what we need to do is we need to take this panel off and access the control board. And what's going on is that the compressor is really bad, so we're going to replace this control board right here. So to replace that, all we do is there's these tabs. We gotta depress the tab so we can remove the control board. Now on this particular board, what we want to look out for is there is a J1 connector. It's right here. If there is a wire in the number 2 slot in this connector, we have to eliminate that wire on all freezer on the bottoms. So you always want to pay attention to your instructions to make sure that you're doing everything that it says. This one does not have a wire in the connector, so we don't have to do anything with it. All we have to do is just hook it up. You always want to hook up your ground wire as well. Okay, and that's how you replace a control board on a freezer on the bottom GE refrigerator.
Thank you for watching another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.